Namaste everyone. Welcome back to the Indian English podcast. Today, we are breaking down one of the most intense rivalries in the Middle East, the conflict between Iran and Israel. Why are they fighting? Is it religion? Is it politics? Is it nuclear weapons? Or is it something much deeper in history? Let's understand this conflict in simple language, no complicated jargon, just facts and clarity. Many people don't know this, but before 1979, Iran and Israel were not enemies. In fact, they had diplomatic ties. Everything changed after the Islamic Revolution. When the Shah of Iran was overthrown, a new Islamic government came into power. The new leadership strongly opposed Israel and cut all relations. From that moment, hostility officially began. So this conflict is not ancient, it's modern and political. Iran's leadership views Israel as an illegitimate state in the region. On the other side, Israel sees Iran's rhetoric as a direct threat to its existence. This is not just a border issue, it's ideological. Both nations believe their security is at stake, and when security fear enters politics, tensions automatically rise. For decades, they didn't fight directly. Instead, Iran supported groups that oppose Israel, like Hezbollah in Lebanon, Hamas in Gaza. Israel considers these groups serious security threats. So instead of Iran and Israel fighting face to face, the conflict happened indirectly through these regional players. This is called a proxy war. One of the biggest tensions today is Iran's nuclear program. Israel fears that if Iran develops nuclear weapons, it could become an existential threat. Iran says its nuclear program is for peaceful purposes, like energy, but mistrust is very deep. And in international politics, mistrust can be more dangerous than weapons. This conflict is also connected to global politics. Israel has strong backing from the United States. Iran positions itself against Western influence in the Middle East. So this is not just a two-country issue, it's part of a larger geopolitical chessboard. Now you may ask, why should we in India care? Simple. Oil prices, trade routes, global market stability. Indian diaspora in the Middle East, whenever tensions lies there, fuel prices here can increase. So indirectly, this conflict affects our daily life. So in conclusion, the Iran-Israel conflict is not just about religion or one single event. It began after a political revolution, it grew through ideological differences, it continued through proxy wars, and today, nuclear fears and global alliances keep it alive. Understanding history helps us see beyond headlines, because wars don't start in one day, they build up over decades.